everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer from Bitget Exchange to Bitget Wallet. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to open Bitget Exchange. Then once we're in the home section or in the dashboard, you can see the assets section, bottom right corner. So just tap on that. So now once we're in the assets section, we can see the overview, spot, futures, and such at the upper left corner of the screen. Just go ahead and tap on spot. Then once you're in the spot section, go ahead and click withdraw. Once you've clicked withdraw, it'll direct you to crypto or fiat, different options of what you can withdraw. So we're going to tap on USDT. And then the withdrawal type would be on-chain withdrawal. Now, in this part, we have here the withdrawal network. What we need to do is to get the withdrawal address from Bitget Wallet. So now, before anything else, we're going to go to Bitget Wallet. And then in the wallet section at the bottom right corner, you're going to click receive. Then once you've clicked receive, just simply tap on USDT on this part. And then I'm just going to tap on the first option, select a network, which is going to be TRC20. And then once we've done that, it'll generate a QR code and then a code right here that we can just copy on our clipboard. So I'm going to tap on that, copy. Now, once we've copied that, we can just go back to simply Bitget Exchange, or we have here the option which is transfer from Bitget Exchange. So it'll just directly go back to Bitget, and I'm just going to tap on that. And then here we are already directed on an on-chain withdrawal, which is just like the earlier. But we have here the correct withdrawal network, which is TRC20. And we're just going to paste here the withdrawal address that we've copied from Bitget Wallet. And then once you've done everything, you have put the correct TRC20 and then the withdrawal address and then the amount you want to withdraw. Just simply click withdraw and that's it. You've done the process. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.